Hello everyone, this is Rabbi Jonathan Simons here. This idea actually came out from a discussion with Rabbi Doniel Levy, and so I just wanted to give him a shout out. But the idea is to use Kami with teaching Gomorrah. So I just wanted to show a few ideas which I had. This image which I got actually comes from the HebrewBooks.org. You can find it there. And I just opened it up as a PDF inside Kami itself. If I was doing this as a teacher, I would probably have an instruction page. You can actually add on pages and make it look a lot nicer. But I really just wanted to show you the page of Gomorrah itself. Now, the first thing is that I know for myself is I can sometimes find that the text can be a little bit difficult to read. It can be very small. So the first thing is you can actually zoom in and zoom out to make the text as big as possible. And it's actually a very nice laser copy from HebrewBooks.org. So just some ideas to make this page of Gomorrah a little bit more interactive is, as a teacher, you could put on a voice comment, and so you can actually record yourself saying the Mishnah or the Gemara to your students. You can also change that voice comment for a video comment as well, but let's just do a voice comment first. I'm just going to allow it. So, Me'ei Masai Korin Eshema Ba'arvis Misha Shal Kohanim Nichnasin Le'echo Bitrumasan Ad Sof Ha'ashmura Harishona. Okay, so that's now in there. If I press play. Okay, so you get the idea. So as a Rebbe, you could actually give a recording of the Gemara. Now, for us, in our school, we actually, for the Mishnah at least, we do gestures, so the children will learn the Gemara by heart. So if you didn't want to do that, you can take that out. And instead, do a video comment, and it's exactly the same thing. You click on the space. That's to allow it. So Me'ei Masai Korin Eshema Ba'arvis Misha Shehakohanim Nichnosim Le'echo Bisrumason. So Me'ei Masai Korin Eshema Ba'arvis Misha shehakohanim nichnosim lecho bisrumason. So you get the idea. In general, you could have a video. Now, the beauty of that is you can send that through as a Google Doc to the children, as a Kami document. And the children themselves, you can hear them reading and explaining the Gemara. So it's an extra tip for you to actually assess the students. And when you're sharing it, you can actually share it through Google Classroom. The students will see these recordings, but they will also have these same tools at the side. Also, when it comes to highlighting, and normally when it comes to a text like this, you can actually highlight it as well, but you will need, you go to the markup button, you will probably need to use something called the box highlighter. So many of us use color coding for Gemara to know when a question is, an answer, and so on and so forth. So you would go to the box lighter, you would pick a color. For argument's sake, if your question was in yellow, you would highlight your text in yellow, and there you go, you've got your question. And you could do that with all the different colors, and you can actually just highlight it as a box. I don't think on this you can actually use the regular text highlighter. It's just when it's a PDF document, it's a little bit harder. There is OCR in here as well, and probably you could do that and get around it. But you could highlight the document. The students can also write on the document as well. So though I don't want to scribble on a piece of Gemara, they can put references at the side, but they can write on the document. And it's really just a few ideas how this can be used. The key is that it links in with Google Classroom. So you could send this document through. The children could add their own recordings, highlight the Gemara according to the way that you want it, and you could mark it itself within Google Classroom. So just a quick idea and a quick tip to get you started.